Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Hi, I'm doing good. Thank you.
What's your name, ma'am?
I'm Rohini.
Okay. Ma'am, how is your feeling to come here and to attend this Apta Catalyst event? Because it is going to held in between community level. So, what was your feeling to come here and to be a part of this?
See, this is really good. I mean, most like-minded people with from various backgrounds, domains. They do come here. They exchange their work experiences, and they're so inspired. There are so many inspiring and motivational speakers as well. We learn a lot from each other. And one good thing, what I have understood is people are trying to help each other. In this these days, everyone tries to climb up the ladder on all by themselves and without giving credit to others. But here, what I have seen is they are trying to collaborate, coordinate, connect, as a logo says, as a byline says. They're doing it amazingly well, and I'm really happy to hear a lot of inspiring stories and knowing more people.
Ma'am, do you do business or you're an entrepreneur or else you came here to do give any sections?
See, I'm a panel member here. I'm one of the panelists. We were discussing on what subjects will inspire people more, and they've asked me to speak on communication skills, its importance, and the body language, etiquette, all that. So along with this, I also run an NGO, which is the Girl Foundation, where we're working on menstrual health for women, for young girls. So we donate sanitary supplies to the girls from 6th to 10th standard. So we have adopted few schools, and with a lot of collective minds, we're working on this.
Ma'am, there are a lot of buddy entrepreneurs or new entrepreneurs, and many people want to be an entrepreneur. For them, how this summit is useful and what suggestions you want to give it to for them?
For young entrepreneurs, budding entrepreneurs, what I will tell is it is really amazing, inspiring to learn, to listen to stories, successful stories, and there'll be a rush in your mind that yes, you have to be there like them. That's fantastic. At the same time, I think the goals have to be realistic. That's so important. Just with the emotional rush, you can't really take decisions. You have to step down, calm, and stay calm and understand, is it really viable, suitable, matches your frequency, your budget. Everything has to be figured out properly. So they have to have a backup always, so that they don't see themselves in a soup later. The business is very, very, it needs a lot of patience, wherein you're giving a lot of time and years that later you must not regret. So have your academic qualification strong, then your work experience, and then have some savings, all that experience, and then yes, get into the market. In the meantime, you can have networking, all that matters, and then you can start off. I mean, this is my opinion. I might, I don't say it has to be the right, but this is how I look at it, things. Thank you so much.